Chandrayaan-3 space.
Chandrayaan-3 has created
Chandrayaan-3.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Astro Chat here, coming at you with some exciting news straight from the world of science and space exploration. So listen up, because this is going to blow your mind. Picture this. It's the year 2023 and India has already launched Chandrayaan-3, its third lunar mission. And let me tell you, this mission is going to be a game changer. Now let's talk about what makes Chandrayaan-3 so special. First off, we've got the lander named Vikram. This bad boy is going to softly touch down near the lunar South Pole. And get this, no other spacecraft has ever explored this region before. Talk about going where no one has gone before, right? But wait, there's more. We've also got the rover named Pragyan. This little guy is going to roam around the lunar surface, collecting samples of the soil. Can you imagine? We're going to have actual moon dirt right here on Earth. How cool is that? The rover's name, Pragyan, is Sanskrit for wisdom. The 6-wheeled, 26 kilograms rover will be seated within the lander module. It will get to work after the Vikram lander has successfully soft landed on the moon. Its communication with Earth will take place via the lander. Now, here's why this mission is important, not just for India, but for the whole world. The scientists working on Chandrayaan-3 are super stoked because they believe it's going to unlock a treasure trove of knowledge about the moon's history, geology, and potential resources. We're talking groundbreaking discoveries here. And guess what? Finding new sources of water on the moon could be a total game changer. It means we can explore and stay on the moon for longer periods of time. That's like a whole new frontier for us to explore. But it doesn't stop there. By studying the moon's history, we might even get some clues about how our entire solar system was formed. Whoa, mind blown! Plus, understanding our own planet better? That's priceless! The Chandrayaan-3 mission is made up of 3 modules: the propulsion module, the lander, and the rover. The propulsion module is the largest one, and it's responsible for carrying the lander and rover all the way to the moon. It's like their own personal chauffeur. But it's not just a means of transportation. It also has a communication payload that allows the lander and rover to stay in touch with Earth. Communication is key, even in space. Now, let's talk about the lander. This incredible machine is designed to make a soft landing on the moon's surface. It's equipped with 4 landing legs and 4 landing thrusters that help it slow down and land safely. Safety first, even on the moon. Plus, it carries a payload of scientific instruments that will be used to study the moon's surface. Talk about some serious science happening up there. But wait, there's more. After the lander has successfully landed, it's time for the star of the show, the rover. This 6-wheeled vehicle is like a little explorer on wheels. It's packed with various scientific instruments that will allow it to study the composition of the lunar surface, uncover the moon's history, and even search for signs of life. Who knows what secrets we might uncover? The Chandrayaan-3 mission is equipped with the variety of sensors that will be used to study the moon's surface. First up, we have the Moon Impact Probe, or MIP. This little guy is going to be released from the lander and make a super fast impact on the moon's surface. And guess what? It's going to generate a shockwave that will help us study the moon's interior. How cool is that? Next on the list is the Lander Impact Sensor, or LIS. This sensor is going to measure the force and impact of the lander's landing. We definitely want to make sure our lander touches down safely on the moon, right? Safety first. Now let's talk about the Laser Retroreflector Array, or LRA. This fancy set of reflectors is going to be placed on the moon's surface by the lander. But here's the mind-blowing part. Ground-based telescopes will use these reflectors to measure the distance between Earth and the moon. Talk about high-tech distance measurement. Moving on, we have the Moon Mineralogy Mapper, or M3. This bad boy is a spectrometer that will study the composition of the moon's surface. It'll help us identify different minerals on the moon and even give us insights into its formation history. Talk about digging deep into lunar secrets. Next up, we have the Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, or APXS. This spectrometer is going to study the elemental composition of the Moon's surface. It'll help us identify the different elements that make up the Moon and give us even more clues about its formation. It's like being a cosmic detective. Last but definitely not least, we have the cameras. The Lander and Rover are going to be equipped with a variety of cameras to capture stunning images of the Moon's surface. These images will help us study the Moon's geology and, who knows, maybe even find signs of life. Now, mark your calendars because this mission is expected to touch down on the Moon on August 23rd, 2023. That's not too far away. We're all eagerly waiting to see what this mission will bring. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is a crucial step in India's lunar exploration program. If everything goes according to plan, it will showcase India's ability to softly land on the Moon and deploy a rover. It's like taking a giant leap forward. And this success will open doors for future missions that will delve even deeper into the mysteries of the Moon. The scientific discoveries made by this mission will benefit all of humanity. So let's cheer on India as they embark on this incredible journey. Let's support Chandrayaan-3 and show the world that we're united in our quest for knowledge and exploration. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Peace out.